Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your PracticePanther, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Google Drive to your PracticePanther? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Drive to PracticePanther anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. When you're running a business, you have to store a lot of different documents, and with PracticePanther, you can link your Google Drive. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PracticePanther dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my PracticePanther, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Google Drive, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down and you want to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you'll see another menu here on the left, and you want to scroll all the way down until you see this files and documents button. Once you do that, you're going to see these four options, but you want to click on the Google Drive logo connect button. Okay, next Google's going to open up the browser and it's going to ask you which Google Drive you want to connect. I'm going to choose this. All right, next you want to go ahead and enter in your Google Drive path. Okay, next Google lets you know that PracticePanther wants to see, edit, create, and delete all of your Google Drive files. If you're okay with that, click on continue. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. You'll see this green pop-up confirming that your Google Drive is connected. Also, you can see you can only have the Google Drive connected. You cannot connect more than one cloud provider. And you should see this red disconnect button underneath Google Drive. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Drive to your PracticePanther, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.